I'm just nervous she's gonna like crash into something and go right over it. There you go.
Oh gosh! When you do this with the foot thing, it makes it go faster.
When she does it with the foot. Yeah.
Oh, so
Look out, Pete.
destruction, baby.
Oh god. Oh, look out for Brooke. Save Brooke. Save yourself. Is that fun, Emma? Oh, look out for the tree.
Keep going.
She's gonna take out the playhouse. Oh, good job, Emma. Way to make that turn. Yeah, just leave it at that turning angle. That's good.